Welcome back everyone. Before to start, if you like this channel, please press the subscribe button, give it a like and share if you want. The new mid-range from Samsung A50 is coming with a strong hardware which should maintain a steady frame in the gameplay with the settings and ultra mode. Also the GPU section is powered by a Mali G72 which should be strong enough to play the latest games. During the game we should notice if it's any slowdown or if it's getting warm during the play game. And the phone should offer the same experience or to be close to the flagships like the big brother Samsung S10. And let's put the phone to the test and see the play game experience. So I've been choosing 3 games like Iron Blade, Asphalt 9 and Modern Combat 5. I will say the last one, it's the best one with the best graphics. Of course, even Asphalt 9 has got the best graphics, of course. So let's start with an Iron Blade. It's an RPG game and it's looking very nice on this screen, AMOLED screen on the Galaxy A50. Okay, so let's just start the game and let's play a quick mission. So, alright. Let's put the volume a bit up. I'm not the best player, so I don't used to play games. But this is only for you to see the experience of this phone, which in my opinion it's very good. I don't see any lag and it's quite the same gameplay like my S10, so it's no difference at all. Okay, just gonna play a quick mission on every game. It's interesting. I like it. No lag at all because it's got a very good processor and it's got a very good GPU. So victory, this is the Iron Blade game. So okay, so let's move on the next one. Okay, the next one is Asphalt 9. Okay, and let's play the game. Should select this one, next here, next again, and just play. Okay, and let's see. It's looking nice. The graphic one of the best on the phone. Video, everything is running so smooth. It's really nice. Really nice. Yeah, so I'm not an expert on games, but from time to time I just like to play. And on this A50 everything is running so smooth. It's no difference than my S10. And until this moment still the same, it's not warm at all. Okay, and let's play the last game, Modern Combat. This little game should be like Call of Duty on the computer, but this is the small version on the phone, of course. Very good graphics, very good story. See, you can see a small intro. You can swap it around. It's looking really nice. Okay, let's skip this. It's looking very good. Really, really good. Nice graphics.
Strike 2 to Monarch. Target eliminated. Confirm extraction location. Over. Hold up. Come on. Let's go. Thanks.
Yeah, it's a very good experience on the gameplay on this phone. It's looking really, really nice. Look at all these graphics. Amazing.
Strike 2, this is Monarch. Advance to extraction point B. Over. You heard him. Come on.
Check this out. Yeah, no lag at all. Really good. You can play all day long on this phone. I love it. And the bad guys are coming. Okay. More to come, yeah. Alright. Gonna take the boat now. It's gonna be a race on the river.
Let's get out of here.
It's looking really, really nice.
We've got company. Keep on firing.
Okay, let's shoot that guy. Oh my god, look at all these graphics. I'm gonna shoot the helicopter. More bad guys. Where is the helicopter? Oh, look at this. Looking really, really nice. I'm gonna have to destroy this helicopter, which we did. Also the boat, helicopter again. Yeah, you can play this game all day long. I don't think it would be a problem. Really, really nice. Nice gameplay. And victory. I haven't seen any lag. I haven't seen this phone to be warm. Not at all. Nothing. But probably if you play more, it's gonna be hot at some point. It's have to be. And here look, even the story, everything. I did choose 3 nice games with nice graphics. Well, no problem for this phone to play all that games. And if you like this type of videos, please subscribe for more. And I just have to thank you for watching, and hope to come back on another video. So peace.